Yo, what's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing? Lovely, lovely Wednesday. It's actually kind of dark out here today. All right, take it back. Maybe not lovely. Well, it's a good day. It's a good day. Just because the weather isn't always super spectacular. At least here, it's not. Doesn't mean it's not a good day. We're just letting Unity load up here, but I guess we can open Notepad and there we go. Let me sit up nice and straight. All right. So today, well, I guess let's start with last stream. Last stream, we were able to get these fly movement animations done. So I'm thinking today we either do death animations or power-up effects. I actually... I think I'm gonna try and see if we can change the power up animation to actually be like a glow effect, not a glow, but like an aura almost. Oh, also we should change this. I just noticed this. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. But I need to change this. Main canvas, kill count image should be fly 0. Not fly 2. Okay, cool. Also, why the same song just repeat? That's fine. Okay. But what I was gonna say is I want to see if we can get like sort of like an aura effect, like kind of light around the character when we have a power up instead of what we currently have, which is like the I don't even know what it is, but it's just kind of, I don't know, it feels a little off, to say the very least. Yeah, so if we see here, yes, like this, I'd rather try and see if we can do like an aura of some sort.
Liberty Mutual customized my car insurance and I saved.
Don't pay attention to that. Just an ad. Just an ad. Let's see. Oh, I went to play this. There you go.
See it working. And if we save this asset and go into Unity, we can see that our player has indeed reappeared. It's just showing the current idle sprite.
There we go.
Awesome. And one of the cool things about this is that it will immediately work if you have animation set up as well. I just have a quick idle animation set on the player that just changes the sprite, and as you can see, that displays appropriately. Of course, our shader is currently really boring. It's just showing a simple texture. So we can go ahead and add stuff to this. We could, for example, go ahead and add in some noise. So if we hit space, we can search for noise. Let's just select the simple noise. And as the name suggests, this generates some noise. We can choose the scale here and zoom in. And we can, of course, add this onto our texture, or we could have it control the alpha of our texture. So if we now take this texture 2D here, and instead of going straight to the color, we'll use the red, green, and blue channel for the colors, and then the alpha channel is going to be controlled by a simple noise. And we can do this easily using a combine node. So I'm going to go ahead and hit space here, search for combine. And as you can see, this has all the right channels. So we'll go red from our texture, green from our texture, blue from our texture, and we can take the alpha from the symbol noise. Then we can take the result of this into our color, and right away you can see that the transparency of our texture is now being controlled by this noise here. Of course, it, we get rid of and go to the step node. A step node, and then go from the allows us to lower than whatever values that are light spot. Cool organic. Go ahead and hit the plus sign. Set the reference here using. We'll have a look at that later. And we can then take and drag this property in here and hook it up to our input. So now we can set that value over here. And just set it to 0.4 and there you go. It updates for everything. And even cooler is that if we now save this asset and select our material in Unity, we can see that we can control it inside of the inspector. In fact, we can do this with a nice slider by simply changing the mode to slider and have it go between 0 and 1. So now we can simply slide this value up and down. You'll also notice that
Interesting.
this is
That's
kind of
pretty cool.
A bit weird on our player here. It's kind of distorting on the horizontal axis. And the reason for that is that this sprite here is actually part of a larger sprite sheet. So if I click on the player here and click on the idle, as you can see, there's this whole sprite sheet here, and it's not completely rectangular. So our noise is actually being stretched along the sprite sheet, and that's not something we want. So to fix this inside of shader graph, instead of just using the normal UV coordinates of our sprite sheet, we'll go ahead and use world coordinates instead. So if we hit space, we can input position here, and here we can choose a space. We could either choose the world, view, or object. I'm going to choose object so that our noise will follow around our object, but it's still relative to the world and not the UV on our sprite sheet. And right away, if we save this, we can see that the weird stretching indeed.
Oh, there we go, there we go.
Let's also make it so that we can adjust this.
Okay, so this is not actually what I wanted. What I wanted was, there's a Bracky's video out there that I watched. I watched it, I think it was on stream a couple weeks ago. If I go to 2D, because it wasn't 2D. Oh, basics of shader graph is what it was. Here we go. I really don't want to be advertising this. Okay.
I've actually gotten 10. I think I've been
There we go.
creating a cool glowy shader that looks like this. But first, it's a good idea to make sure that we're using the newest version of shader graph. To do that, and we're ready to go ahead and create dock this anywhere we want. Our textures, we can now control them using different nodes. So in order to try and make our object glow around the edges, we need to modify our emission. However, if we just go ahead and change our
So emission, is that something that I have? Let's see. Assets. I think it's in sprites. No. Do I have a shaders? Where is it? TextMesh Pro, sprites, settings, scripts, scenes, resources? No. Prefabs. Oh, I'm doing materials. Oh, Aura. I already started it. Cool. So this one puts color into the base color, and then the alpha's here. Okay, what if we try and figure out like a glow 2D shader in Unity?
What's going on, fellow game developers? My name is Moneywolf, and
Okay, let's see with this one.
I'm going to show you how you can add glow to your sprite and change your scene from this to something like this. Now you can see there it's a lot glowy. You've got a glowing sprite that's spreading badly. Have to go down, just reset all of this, and in a hierarchy, let's go to the right and go down to volume and create a global volume.
No, this isn't what I want. Maybe this. Let's see if the game guy can help us.
In this video, we're gonna be making this super start. My favorite. It's gonna be needing for universal RP. It's P. In order for the glow, the post processing is enabled. It's the 2D renderer, and I'm gonna be where you want in a new tab. Here it is.
At Harbor Freight, we design and test our own.
Not what I wanted.
Is a reference for our texture. So we're gonna be creating a 2D texture node, texture 2D asset, and here we can choose try to add this onto our texture node to convert this using this up, and it gives out RGBA color here. Just to we can see a bunch of settings, and if you want just to make our sprite, use the grab the outline highest and the lowest values. So let's just take them from each other. So let's keep 1 to which is the highest height, and now we can just subtract the highest value for step node from the lowest value for step node, and it will return this nice outline for us. And we can also control the thick and now we can just go ahead and we're gonna use an add node 8 to 8, and you can see it applies this nice outline to our main text. But we need some way to control the color of our outline, and in order to do that, so using a multiply node, so let's get the input to HDR, set a color, and now we have any idea and put it so yeah, let's get it. So like glow matte, so see it this much onto our it's faded, and we can fix this converted in this color into a property variable, slide this in here, and also inside of Unity and to do and the scatter.
Interesting. Okay.
Something like this, and now if we.
All right, let's see if we can do this. So that's the white sprite. We want to do this. First thing you want to do is have a texture node. Sample texture 2D. And then add a texture 2D here. And then he was saying I should have a step node. And then this is gonna, I don't really know what a step node does. But, you know, theoretically it does something. And we want 2 step nodes. Oh, we do have 2 step nodes. Okay, cool. And we want to put the alpha to one edge, and then the alpha to the other edge. And then with those, we're going to be able to we can put this a little bit further down here. Have a subtract node. And this is going to take the out from 1. Okay, so it's going to subtract. Okay. And then this X we want to be 0, and this one we want to be 0.9, I guess. And then what if we put this as the color? Nothing. Okay. So we're supposed to have another multiply node here. This is supposed to multiply. With the color. This would multiply with the color. What if we just had an add node? Because the add node is for this as A, and then this as B, and then this goes into the output. The texture doesn't really have a thing yet. What if we save this? What if we do create sprite? No, we want to create a new material. And we're going to call this glow. And instead of, we want shader graph. But we want shader graph. Oh, aura. And then if we go to player and we add glow to the material, it becomes white, obviously. Yeah, make sure that this alpha is this alpha also. Let's save that, make sure that lines up. I don't really know. What if we add a texture to it? Oh, so that works. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, it has to be main text. Okay, that's why. Let's go back to none here. And then aura, change this to actually let's go here. It should both be underscore main text. Underscore main text. Copy this. Okay, cool. So now if we save this, go back to the scene. Now it works. Okay. Guys, we are getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I want it to have a little more like, it's pretty okay. And then if we have this as a value, so if we do this float and call this size, and then put this here, save that, go back to the scene. Obviously it's gonna be nothing. Okay, so anything over 1 So yeah, the closer you get to 1, the more it does that. Interesting. But that's like, I can't even lie. If you're at the camera level, that looks like garbage. That looks like complete garbage. Like, it just doesn't look good. And so part of that I feel like might be because everything's just really small. At least I feel like everything is really small. But at the same time, I'm just thinking because this is not like, it works, but it doesn't look good. Like this glow here, that does not look good at all. Oh, also we need to get, like, it's been so eerily quiet in here. I need to get the music on. All right, now we're jamming. But once again, it's just not, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. All right, let me go see if I can find some other, maybe somebody else has another way to do this. Basic auras in Unity. Aura effect around a character. Okay, let's see what this gives me. Okay. Try to put an aura effect on a character, but the only way I found was to add a halo component. What's a halo component? Oh, hot. It doesn't exist. Mesh particle emitter without the simulate in world space option activated. Oh, no, we don't want that. We don't, I lied. We don't want that. That was, probably should not just click random links. For some reason it's all in a different language. Okay. Shader replacement technique would work, but it requires Unity Pro. What? Runner particles will move along with the object if simulate in world space is turned off. So we can make a crazy particle shader is what you're saying? It would be a particle system attached to hold on, let's, like, I don't want this on here anymore. Default sprite. Where's default sprite? Sprite default. There we go. Okay. Is this not what it is originally? Then I want to add a particle system. And then let's open the editor. the is it render? Mesh. No. LG, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Sorry, I didn't see your message. I had the chat window blocked on accident. How's your day going, LG? Good. Finally caught the earlier stream. I see. I know I've moved the stream from 6 to 5 now. Just because I don't want to be. I don't know. I get off the stream and then I'd be like making dinner, and by the time I eat dinner and like clean up, do the dishes, it's like, 9 o'clock or something. So like 9:30, and I was like, you know what? I'd rather do this, and I don't need an hour before the stream. Oh my gosh, my camera's blurry. Guys, I don't know why this happens. There we go. It's good. Here we go. It fixed itself. We didn't have to restart the stream. Last time that happened, I tried to unplug and replug in my camera. And plot twist, I should have probably known, but you can't do that while you're streaming. Like it won't update your camera again. Your camera just freezes permanently. So that's cool. How to make particle system follow sprite unity. Okay, well. Yeah. Well, with daylight savings too, especially. All the times are just getting messed up. But all good. Catch it, don't catch it. That's what it is. Glad you hopped on though. Glad you're able to join. Okay, what if I do sprite? And then what if I do... Oh, what if I do sprite render? If I want to do sprite render. Does that help? I don't think this helps. Definitely not helping. What if I increase the maximum amount of particles? No. Okay, so I set it to be the shape of sprite render, but what textures do we have? Doesn't like that at all. Interesting. Okay, because also I just want to do like um where does it show the actual thing that's being output? Where is this? Um, yeah, but like this is not what I want at all. Where do I tell it what to actually like what the particles are? Where do I set the particle? I did this like a month ago. Why I cannot remember at all how to do this. Alright, you know what? Where's the other effect? Prefabs effects. The bomb effect. I feel like I'm going absolutely insane right now. Alright, we're gonna go to the documentation and see what's up here. Because I obviously don't remember what's going on, so. Particle system, let's see. Why is there no information here? Why is there just nothing? It's not at all what I wanted. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The shape module defines the volume or surface from which particles can be emitted. Particle appearance. Interesting. But this is set to billboard. I don't know, man. I don't know. Whatever. Where's... We'll figure this out. Okay, so let's keep this as... let's keep it as like a circle, right? But then let's change this. So that's a sphere now. I'm still so confused. Yeah, that's for the emitter itself. So it's sprite default is what that is. So what if I go back to billboard? Okay, so then if you do mesh, and then sphere, and then one particle. Its start speed is 0. Also, what if its start size is huge? Okay, but then what if I change the shape to be a sprite renderer? It's not gonna matter, is it? Okay. We change the material to... I don't know, we don't have any other materials to change to. We do billboard and then change this to... Alright, I don't think this is working. This does not appear to be working very well. Man, it's not very fortunate. Alright, well, let's see if we can find something else. Because this is obviously not working. how to make this 2D glow effect. Alright, standard shader with an emissive texture. Is that a thing? Can I add, like... No, there's nothing about emission. Glow shader. Oh no, I don't want to write a shader. I want to know how to graph one. Okay, let's see. Let's see this video. Pause this for a second.
Hello everyone, my name is Tyler, and this video we will be talking about how to do the basic structure behind aura particles.
Okay, okay.
And this is kind of the end result of what we'll be doing today. So let's go over here and actually make our particle. So I'm back to the default project.
This is really old Unity, but hopefully it still works.
In particular is kind of a horizontal mesh. Other than that, we don't really need anything to make an interesting looking aura. So I guess without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing that we want to do is kind of
Okay, so in the renderer.
Horizontal flat effect that you see over here. So let's go over to our system. Let's actually move this a little bit more out of the way and go back. It's a little far out. Okay, so let's go over to the renderer.
Okay.
And then change it from billboard to mesh.
Billboard to mesh.
An actual flat mesh. This water plane mesh will do. It's a little high polyed for what we want, but we'll make it work.
Okay.
Let's change the rotation. And let's change.
I don't know if this is what we want, but
And the size of the cone. There we go. Now, what we want to have it do is kind of grow in size over time and then have it kind of go in and out, fade in and out. So let's change those real quick to give it some interesting kind of illusion.
this is kind of what we want, but not exactly. Or effect, Unity 2D. This one says in 15 seconds.
So if you want to add glow in Unity, make a new material.
Make a new
check the
material.
material and give it a positive intensity. Apply the material to your mesh. Make a post-processing volume. Create a new profile. Add an override with bloom. Enable post-processing on your camera. Select your render settings and check HDR, and that's it.
Yeah, but it's like that's too much. That's gonna mess up everything else. If I went to the material, and if I went to no, but where's like the default? Oh my goodness, excuse me, that's atrocious. Okay, so if I make a new material, create material, and it's if we get a sprite material, sprites, default, You can't really make it glow. Like a mask. I mean, yeah, bro. There's nothing. There's nothing. What happens if you put a mask on this? No, it doesn't work. There's not a very easy solution to this, but we're gonna keep looking because it's definitely possible. It's out there somewhere, and there's no way it's that hard. That's really loud. Apologies. I didn't realize that I've been on repeat this entire time. I actually want a little. What if we do this one? Okay. Right. The aura from the game you posted looks like a 2D animation layered on top of the sprite with some glow effect. The glow on might be another shader. Alright, this post is like no help on it. Dun, 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 dun. How to create an effect of an inner glow inside of a 2D mesh. I don't think that's what I want. "2D special effects, 2D particle effects, status effects, and auras." I don't want to buy one. I just want to know how to do it. Outline glow effect for a 2D sprite. Someone achieved this and wants to share? Question mark. Things are not simple, efficient, and free at the same time. In your case, you may have to paint all sprites individually. What if in code I'd make outlines of all frames, add them as children? Bro, what? This is like, I've definitely heard this before. What is this? Okay, this is kind of cool. That's what I was doing. Simple open source to adapt. Ugh. There's got to be a way to do it in here. I just don't know what it is. I'm just not like... I don't have the knowledge about shaders. Let's see. I mean, let's go through these and see if we can find something. Channel mask, normal blend, utility, channel, custom render texture, input, lighting, ambient. I don't think we want to mess. I don't think we want to mess with the lighting. We don't really need math. We need probably math and something else. Properties, speed tree, utility, UV. My goodness. Bro, not the trig. I don't know, man. I really don't know. Maka, what's up? How you doing? How you doing, man? Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining the stream. Crazy first time chatter. Maka 275. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I know. It's early there. Early there. Yeah, what did you say this? Like, what is it? Like 9, 10? Maka, you want to see a rundown of the game? Want to see a rundown of the game? Let me take this boy out of here. Gotcha. Alright, bet. Let's see this. Bro, I can't do the duck song. I need to get better music. The duck song is killer. Let's just delete this. I don't need this. Alright, here we go. It's fine. There's no sound in the game yet. There's no audio or anything in the game, so we're just gonna deal with the circus music in the background. This is so ridiculous. Alright, but yeah, anyways. So we got the frog here. The flies are spawning. Let me max this out. And then shoot the bullets, kill them. And then these ones that are different colors, if you eat them, you get power-ups. So right now you got freeze. So go ahead and shoot these guys, and then they can't move anymore. And then, like, this one's a bomb. Boom. Deceased. Bombs also bounce off all the walls. See. So, that's the game. We got, like, a little kill counter up here. Down here it shows your power-ups. Down here's your health. I need to fix the UI a little bit, but... And over here we got the controls. And that's me. This game was made by me. Crazy, huh? But yeah, if you want to play the why the frog's shooting, bro, I don't know. It's just the frog is just shooting. There's no context to why the frog's shooting. It just shoots. There's like no story behind the frog shooting projectiles. Yeah, I don't know. There's no logic to that part. That's just the way it is. But yeah, so right now I'm trying to make the power up effect a little bit better, because right now when you get a power up, it does like has like squares. Bro, that's a crazy emote. I like that one. I've never seen that one before. Here's I'll show it to you. Like this is the effect right now when you get a power up, which is like not bad, but like it's good. It just doesn't fit the vibe of the game. So I'm trying to make it more of like an aura, like a glow sort of effect around the player when you get the power up. But for the life of me, I cannot figure out how to do it. So we're really I've been trying to figure this out for the past hour, and I still have not figured it out. But yeah, I mean that's where we're at. So good stuff. If you want to play the game, the link is in my and then it should be in the video or the stream description, and also it's in my on my channel page too. So yeah, that's where we're at. Right now we're hardcore struggling to figure this out, but it's all good. Hey, usually I don't want to say this, but how it's been working the past couple days is like all stream I just like grind at one thing, and then within the last 10-15 minutes of the stream I figure it out and it's done. I don't think that's gonna happen today. I don't think I'm gonna figure this out today, but we'll see. You never know. This is all right. We're not in it anymore. Like none of these are super helpful. Sprite render tint is a multiply blend, which will only darken the colors. You need a new shader. 2D emission. Bro, there's no emission shader. I tried that. This game specifically is, I've been going at it probably since like, I think I first started it in like the beginning of this year. So like maybe January, February. I didn't really start grinding on it till May. Once I graduated, I started going hard on it. But yeah. And then honestly, I didn't make a ton of progress over the summer, but then I started streaming in September. And once I started streaming, I made so much progress in it. Like, that's funny. Yeah. Game is not the easiest. Yo, Mecca275, new follower. Appreciate it. Thanks, man. Means a lot. Yeah. I tried to make the game not super hard. To be fair, maybe 2 weeks ago, I think before the last update, it took 10 hits to kill an enemy. And so the game was tremendously harder. Tremendously harder. So it is easier than it was before, but I might need to scale the difficulty up, down, sideways. We'll see. But let's see if there's anything in here about, yeah, why isn't there like, okay, so this one is, I've added some blend variants to the basic sprite shader used by Unity, similar to the particle ones. Additive, add smooth, multiply, double. Normal map shader, which works perfectly if you need to double the width of your sprite sheet. Interesting. What if can we do like Unity 2D shader graph emission? 2D emissive shader graph in Unity. Oh, this is 46 minutes long. Okay, well, we'll see if it says anything important. We're also not putting the sound out for this because I don't feel like turning the music off. What's he doing? Sprite lit master. Oh, is it because, is this not have that because I have a, if I do create shader graph, or no, 2D, wait, what? How do I do this? URP. I thought it was a specific kind of No, I need like a sprite shader. Where's the sprite shaders? Oh man. Bro, I had it at some point. I swear I knew how to do this. And then I stopped doing it, and now I don't know anymore. Unity 2D shaders. Where's Bracky's at, bro? Bracky's never strays me. Never leads me astray. Mecca, what you been up to? Get your you unpack everything yesterday? Or you still got stuff to do? Okay, so universal pipeline room is looking sick. Good, bro. You're gonna have to send me a picture. You're gonna have to show me the room. Wait, what I do? I skipped it. Rendering, URP, 2D render, experimental. Okay, that's what I wanted though. Oh yeah, shader, 2D render. Bro, do I not have it? Am I like mega tripping or what? Create shader. There's no 2D option. What did I do? Oh, it's right here, guys. It's the sprite lit shader graph. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's call this Aura. Lit. Oh, yo. All right, let's see the room, Michael. Let's see the room. Yo. The lights are pretty sick. Damn, under the bed too. That's crazy. That's so sick, dude. That's so sick. I like it. Dang. I want to get one of those I don't know if you've seen like the neon light strips, not like the LED, but it's like it's not like a strip, but it's just like, I'm doing a very bad job of explaining this. It's like a rope and it's neon. And so I want to get one of those, and so you just like stick it to your wall and you can just make it like a squiggle or into a shape or something. So I want to get one of those, put it above my bed. Put in the rest. I don't know what you should put in the rest of it. Where are your, don't you have, you need like a sick guitar stand is what you need. Like you need a sick guitar display because you have what, 2 or 3? No, you don't. All right, let me see if I can pull it up. Neon light bedroom. Bro. Oh, like this. Here we go. Open image in new tab. Like this. You see what I mean? So it's like neon light strip and just like squiggles. Alright, sick. Yeah. You gotta get the guitar displays up. You need to, and then you just need some like stuff for your. You just need some stuff on your walls. Like get some posters. Get some. I don't know. Posters. Yeah, get some posters. That's all I got. What else would be good? I'm like looking around at what I have in my room, and it's not much. There's not much. Posters, it is. You gotta find some like good posters. No, not just like random things. Like get some like some good album cover posters, or I don't know. You gotta pick like a vibe for your room and just like go with it. Get posters of like, bro, you get surfing posters. Or where are you gonna put the surfboards in your room? Because you put the surfboards in your room, then you can put the surfboards on the wall. And that would be sick ass. That would be sick ass. It really would. That's the vibe. That's the vibe, Macca. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. For me. Because I don't have a surfboard to put up on my wall. You could get like a rack to hang on the wall. You could do that. I feel like you have enough space in your room, right? Like what? Over the piano, you could probably put it, or like the keyboard, or even I don't know if you have enough room like above your dressers, or I don't know what the blank wall is either. Like the wall that I can't see, I don't know what's there. If it's a closet or something, for Cody. Exactly. See. Yo, that's true. You. Thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. We're just on the grind over here on the game, trying to make some shaders right now. Appreciate the follow though. Means a lot, man. Anyways, if we go to the aura lit, and now we have alpha, sprite mask, normal tangent. Can we do emission? There's still no emission. Boo. I thought for sure there'd be an emission. All right, guys. I think we're going to switch gears. And what we're going to do instead is... Let's go back to the list. So I think I need to look at this some more offline. I think the power-up effects are going to be... We're going to have to figure that out later. But I think what we're going to do now is we're going to do some death animations. I think we're going to make these kind of funny. I don't even think it's going to be like an animation. I think what I want to do is have the sprite change. Just like cut to another sprite. Hold it there for a couple seconds. And then it's gone. We could have like a fade or something too. We'll see. But I'm going to draw some stuff. We're gonna draw some stuff. It's gonna be really bad, but also like the animations that I did. What was it? The animations that I did the other day, Monday. I thought those were so bad until I put them in Unity, and then I was like, "Dang, these are not that bad." Waffle, where are you? He's screaming at me. Are you in the cupboard? Oh no, he just left the room. He'll be fine. He's playing with the carpet. Alright, so let's open up Krita. And actually let's go ahead and go into the existing fly sprites. Let's go to the existing fly page, which was actually already in there before I did anything. Waffle, do you want to say hi to the camera? Bro, don't eat the twist tie. He found a twist tie. Waffle, come here. Waffle. All right, everybody, gotta say hi to Waffle, my cat. Oh, that was adorable. Hey, Macca, thanks for jumping on. Appreciate it, bro. Have a good rest of your day. That's Waffle, my cat. All right, so this is the inspo. Let's go ahead and copy one of these. Yo, Waffle, Mecca said bye. He's left. He's gone. Alright, let's do this. Grab this. And then let's go ahead and, let's copy this, paste it, and then move it down here. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to go whoop, and we're going to turn them over. And then we're going to flip them. Maybe a little longer. Alright, now the opacity is too high. We need to lower opacity. Like, yeah, like, give me like a 60 on opacity. No, you can't see. Let's grab this color and go in with, bro, I need to favorite these brushes. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, let's grab this brush. And then let's actually get that size up a little bit. Okay, so then we can go here. and then do this, and then opacity, bring it down to like 60. Okay. Then yeah, go here, here, here. Nope, I don't want to do that. Get this wing out of here. Okay. Then go back to this one. And back to this brush. And then we're gonna go in here. Achu, how you doing, bro? How you doing? Having a nice Wednesday, or I don't know what day it is for you. Wednesday, Thursday, whatever day it is. Having a good day so far. Let me actually add another layer in here, so that I can paint underneath. Alright, let's look at how these are in this one. Alright, that's fine, that's fine. Good. Yo, Achu. Let's go, let's go. Matt, I appreciate it. I appreciate the dedication. I'll just let you watch then. You good. That's so funny. I can't believe I didn't see you yesterday, bro. You weren't home when Matt could FaceTime me. But this fly is so dead right now. We'll do that, and then let's go ahead and get rid of. I think we're fine to. Let's go ahead and merge this layer with the one below, and then I'm gonna do this. But then here we're gonna go ahead and actually change these. I don't want it to be that big. That's fine. So there, and then grab this and start coloring over this. And then let's go ahead and grab the eraser. And take this off. Bro, the animals are scrapping so hard right now. I swear, like, they're never this loud, and then I stream, and all of a sudden it's just pure chaos. Just erupts from them. This one should have, like, size at 10, I believe. And also this one. And then wrong color. Wrong color. Oh my gosh. That is honestly good enough. We'll take the rest off with the eraser. It should be a little hidden with the with that on there. Alright. And let's turn this back on. Oh, no. Let's turn this back on. Let's go ahead and delete this layer. And now we have a deceased fly. I think the only thing left to do is change his legs. Doesn't need to be that long. Okay, let's go ahead and erase the old legs. Oops. Oh my gosh, he looks so dead. That is so good. Let's go, let's go. Huge, huge. All right, let's go ahead and save this. Let's go back to Unity. And then let's go here. Sprite editor. Oh, well, that's not good. An autosave list exists. How do you want to proceed? I want to save this. Okay, it should be saved now. Oh, there's nothing there. Okay, there we go. Now if we go to Sprite Editor and we slice and then apply. Alright, now a metadata file .meta exists, but its asset spritefly.psd autosave credit cannot be found. Ah, okay. Whoops. Okay. I'm gonna take this off my my drawing pad. I think that's probably all the drawing we're gonna do today. Oh my gosh. It's stuck. It's stuck on my. Oh my gosh. Okay. Baller. Ah, cool. What are we gonna do? Oh, we need to make a new animation. Let's go to fly. Prefabs, characters. Let's go to default. Let's go to bomb enemy. Who cares? Open them up. Open up the animation window. Let's create a new clip called Fly Death. It's called Fly Die. Why not? That's more. It's funnier. It's funnier. It's more entertaining. Let's go to sprites. And then it's just going to be this one. Okay. I mean, theoretically, it doesn't even have to be an animation. That's fine though. And then it's not going to animate for long anyways. It shouldn't really matter. Let's go to the animator. And then we can go from there to, oh no, that's not what I wanted. We can go from here to fly move to fly die. If is dead. It's true. If you go here, settings, we don't want to transition. Turn exit time off. The only condition is dead is true. Okay. Then we'll go to the enemies. Let's go to the health script actually. Actually, might as well. Here, perfect. Nope, we can close this. Okay, so then well, first of all, we need a reference to the animator, so public animator. Then on death, do you guys like this comment? I'm really proud of this comment. Not good. Stoof is being skipped. Obviously. Hey Visa, how you doing? I have played Club Penguin. Sorry I didn't see your message. I was zoned in. Yeah, I have played Club Penguin before. It's been a while though. I mean, when did Club Penguin get shut down? Like 5 years ago? I think it was longer than that. But yeah, I played Club Penguin. Yo, yeah. I'll how about this? I'll cut you a deal. If you give me feedback on this game, I'll give you feedback on your private server. How's that sound? Alright, bet. Let's go. Alright, let me I'll give you the rundown of the game. You can the link to the games in my channel description and in the stream description if you want to go play it yourself, but I'll give you the rundown here. It's like a little top-down arcade shooter. And you play as a frog. Get some power-ups here. To get the power-ups, you can eat the enemies with your tongue. And otherwise, you just try and kill as many enemies as possible. So, shoot some bullets, kill some enemies. Nothing crazy. No real particular story to it, but got a bomb power-up here. Okay. Alright, thanks bro. That is the description of my game directly from my channel. That's correct. Thank you. I appreciate you for doing that. Is there a reason you copied the description directly from my website? Just because you felt like it? But anyways, there's a lot of stuff here. I am gonna add. I don't know why I'm responding to this comment. It's I wrote that. I almost started responding to the comment, and then I was like, I literally wrote this. I don't know why I would do that. But yeah, so that's the game. So what do you think? What do you think, K-Visa? What's your thoughts? I bet. Yeah, as of right now, I'm adding a little death animation for the flies when they die. So if current health is less than or equal to 0, what we're gonna do is let's do okay. Sounds good. Like the game, interesting, but okay, interesting. Is it the animation itself or the actual like feeling of the movement? Because I know I've tweaked that a little bit, and I think it could definitely be better. But because like I'm not the best animator, so if you kill X amount of bugs, you get powers or something. Okay, yeah. I think I want to make it in the. Okay, yeah, that's pretty valid. I am definitely not what you would call an artist, so that's pretty valid. I'm not gonna disagree with you there, but as of right now, I mean, I only have so much animating skills, but. Thanks. All right, bro. That's cool. Appreciate it. Glad you like it. But yeah, in the future, I'm going to add... I'm thinking of adding more of like a round style gameplay where it's continuously... there's rounds and it continuously gets harder. Sort of like Call of Duty Zombies, if you ever played that. And so though, like maybe every 10 levels or something, there'll be a boss fly or something. Yeah. So exactly like that. Exactly. See, we're on the same page. On the same page. All right, cool, man. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. I'll look them up. See what they're about. I bet. Thanks, man. Appreciate the recommendation. Alright, sounds good. Let's see the server, man. I'll probably check it off. Honestly, if you want to drop your Discord in the chat if you're comfortable with that, or just message me your... I mean, if you don't want to show it in the chat, I can like send you my email because it's public, but all right, cool. I will add you on Discord, and I'll probably check it out off stream just in case something happens. Plus, I'm only going to be on here for like 15 more minutes anyways, but I'll let you know on Discord how I feel about the server. But how'd you do it? Is there like tools to do it, or... Okay, cool. Is there like use tools to make it, or is there stuff out there for that, or you do it mostly by scratch? I have no idea how that works. Okay, okay. Gotcha, gotcha. That's pretty sick. Do you add any new stuff like mods or anything, or is it just like basic Club Penguin? I mean, I guess I'll see, but just curious. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Custom items, custom UI for the igloo. Alright, bro. Sick, sick, sick. I like the spaces between the letters. It's very authentic. No, I'm just playing. I'm playing. This video's name test. Okay. Yeah, I'll add you on Discord so you can. I might ask you this stuff again on Discord, but also this chat saves for a while, so. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, I probably won't create an account just cause. But. Oh my gosh, bro. I could not find the button to add a friend on Discord for so long. Alright, cool, cool, cool. I sent you a friend request. Add the Discord server link in the website too. Alright, bet. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. As I said, if you don't mind, I think I'm gonna try and finish this up, wrap up the stream, and I'll probably check it out maybe later tonight or tomorrow. But I will. I'll definitely let you know. Yeah, of course, man. That's pretty sick. Club Penguin was a pretty goated game, man. Were you pretty dedicated to the Penguin back in the day? If you made the whole thing, redid it, poured it all over to HTML, CSS, I assume you liked it quite a bit then. Okay. So I mean, definitely a lot of work, but yeah. Nothing. I mean, definitely better than like 3 years, obviously. But I mean, 3 months is definitely an extensive project for sure. That's sick though, bro. That's a lot of. Oh, okay, yeah. add another time to lie idle for after dying. You do a lot of programming then? Or it's kind of not your usual cup of tea? That's baller. That's baller. Honestly, coding is a fun thing. I feel like nobody's good at coding, bro. Like, being good at coding just means you've done it for longer. Like, it's all about experience is really what it comes down to at the end of the day. Is this not how this works? Oh, string name, bool value. Okay. Whoops. Yo, hey Visa, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow, bro. I appreciate it. I will definitely check that out for you, man. Have a nice day, too. Thanks for hopping on, man. All right, guys, we're just going to wrap this up here real quick. I'm going to get this to work first try. Ready? So it's setting the Boolean is dead, and then it yield returns, and then we'll destroy afterwards. And then we're going to call start coroutine. Take damage. Look at that. Look at that. And then we're going to go here to we'll let this load. We'll go to the bomb enemy, characters, bomb enemy. Where is health script animator? Okay. Let's see if this works. I'm telling you, man, I'm going to do it first try. First try. You got this. Oof. Let me go to the game. Actually, no. Interesting. All right, let's try. We're gonna do debug.log So that way we'll know it's at least going in there, even if it's not actually dying. I want to get a bomb enemy because I don't really. I feel like that'll test him with anything. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is not good. It is in fact doing this. It's also never going in here, which is weird. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's not take damage, it's death. I think this still might be a problem, but we'll see. Okay, so slay issue. Yeah, just wrong one, but it was close. And then also let's go characters. Let's go with the health script, and then die time we'll set as 1 second. 0.5. And then this should work. This should work. Okay, what if I change the die time to like 2 seconds? Nope, doesn't matter. Is that because This isn't using the die time. It's using the flash time. That's why. Okay. Well, this is making sense. Making sense. At least things are making sense. And yeah, let's go ahead and change this to... Okay, 2 is okay. I think 2 is fine. We'll see, though. We'll see. It seemed to have been working correct, though. I was just doing it really fast. Okay. All right, guys, it's 7 o'clock. I think we're gonna come back to this. This might take another 10 or 20 minutes. We'll see. Probably not. Probably like a couple more. I'm gonna need to change some other stuff though, and I really don't want to think about that right now. So I am gonna head out. But thanks, guys, for watching. Appreciate all the support, and I will see you guys next week.